We're going on a quick test drive here. We got 117,821 miles on the odometer. Absolutely gorgeous in here. The seats are redone in cat skin leather, super soft. Love the dark brown color. Matches the interior pretty well. So far, the steering wheel's nice and straight. Hit the brakes kind of hard here in just a second right now. Brakes are solid. Car shifts nice and smooth. Super easy to shift into gears. Let my hand off the wheel, perfectly straight, no shimmies. I don't see any cracks in the windshield. Really no complaints with the drivability. It's really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this tire, got the Eagle Sports date code 2017, and they are kind of gunked up around the edges. You can see that. The wheel, a little bit of rash, typical scuffs and scratches. You're going to see some rash there. Here on that fender. You're gonna have little chips, little flaws here and there. This is kind of flat. It doesn't have any sheen anymore. Looking at the A-pillar, typical rock impacts, little chips. The mirror looks nice. You're gonna have little flaws here and there. Little specks in the paint. I don't see anything larger than just a couple chips and scuffs. Got a chip there, a couple chips here. Get close, you're gonna see some kind of cracking there. The clear coat is peeling in there, and then it has some dirt around the edges. The strip, little weather stripping is kind of popping out. You're gonna see some dimples in the paint. I imagine it was repainted at some point. 2017 date code. The tires are really gunked up. Wheels have typical scuffs and scratches. You're gonna see those light abrasions in the glass from rolling them up and down over the years. Headlights are crystal clear there. Same here. Typical rock chips on that front end. Very minimal. It looks good. Just very light rock chips here and there. Looking at that front bumper. Looks like something kind of scuffed that. Barely catches my nail. I think it looks worse than it is. And then you do have some spider cracking there. You have some spider cracking here. If you can see that, get really close. A little bit of texture in the paint. It has been repainted at some point here on that front end. You have spider cracking there and some transfer marks. You have your flaws here. Same thing with this wheel. This one does have some decent rash around that edge. And it is pretty gunked up on that tire. They need new tires. Now when we look at this door, from about here down in that quarter panel, it may not translate in video as well, but that is yellowed. And so you're gonna see this is really white, this is really white, and this is kind of a dingier yellow. and then it kind of fades into the door a little bit, with that quarter panel being the worst, because the door's still pretty white, but not as white as that front end. That is super, super white. And you can see it just kind of fade. So they probably blended that a little bit. You can see right here it's pretty bright white, and the rest it's kind of faded. Now that top side though is hyper white. Little chips. You can see the body here. If you get really close, there's lots of little scuffs and scratches. I don't know, it's hard to see, but it definitely shows its age all there. And that might be original paint, and a lot of this has been repainted. Clear coat failing around that door. You're gonna have typical scuffs there. Little scuffs and scratches on the wheel, but overall in pretty good condition. 2017 date code. The clarity is gone here too, so you can see the lights, versus if you come here to that fender, see how much clarity is in that. Really pretty. And then you make your way down, and then we come up here and you don't really have that reflection. Spoiler, deck lid, back bumper, they're really bright white, and they have some little dimples in the paint, so they have been repainted at some point. I imagine all of this has as well. Yep, little dimples. I don't see that as a bad thing. That's good that it's got a refresh. But that quarter panel definitely needs to be painted to make this look really good. Little flaws here and there, but for the most part that back end looks really nice. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That panel is in great condition. Buttons look good. You can see these seats were rewrapped at some point in cat skin. Small little marking there, but otherwise they look brand new and they're super comfy. You're going to see the age here on the steering wheel. A little dingy, a little bit of wear. The outside of this though, that's in really good condition. Get here on the back side, you're going to see some spots and whatnot. Upper side of the dash, I do see a crack right there. Gauges look good. Nice and clean. For the most part, this middle section looks really nice. Here on this door panel, that's in great condition. That cover looks good. You got some cat skins. This looks very recent because those look perfect. Really, really nice. You're gonna see the age and wear on that console just by looking in the cracks and seeing kind of some of the dirt. But overall, it looks nice. Glove box looks good. Kind of scanning that upper side of the dash. Looks really nice. Here in the back seats, looks like those were recovered as well, so they're absolutely perfect looking. The struts are really nice. They hold it up nice and secure. Yeah, so you can see they did paint the bumper at some point. You do have overspray here. Looking in the jams, overall look really good. You can see some of the age in there. That jam looks good. Trunk area, super clean. Looking under that mat, you're gonna see the age and wear there. And then it looks like the board is kind of busted up. But it looks nice when you have it there. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here. Looks really good. You can zoom in there. Feel free to pause it at any moment. I don't see a date code on that battery. Then here on the underhood liner, you're gonna see the age, little stains and flaws.